What's up guys, it's Ryan from RPS Dent Specialists coming to you with a quick power down introduction on how to power down a Tesla Model 3. I did take the IMI class in Texas through Anson and TDN, so you do have to get a certification to do this power down. I have some tips and tricks that help after you are certified how to power it down, so follow me through the process. So I'm very fortunate. We do a lot of Teslas here, and with me being power down certified, I had a lot of relationships at Tesla, and I was fortunate enough to get all of the manuals on how to power this vehicle down through Tesla corporate. So I'm going to walk you through step by step just so you can see what you have to do. There's a lot of stuff I didn't even know until I read these manuals. So I did save the manuals. I wanted to show you guys how easy it is to read, how to go through step by step. The other thing, I purchased the kit from Anson. It's the mobile kit for the power down procedure. It includes gloves, barrier tape, this black rubber mat that is 1000 volt certified, this clear shield that covers the terminal after it's disconnected, the gloves, and the steering wheel cover. So it's a pretty useful kit. Totally worth the money. I've almost paid off everything from the certification and the kit. So let's walk through this process. Tech tip number one on a Tesla, any Tesla that's out there. When you do the power down procedure, make sure the windows are all down and you tape the latches. You could either put a microfiber, I tape them just so doors don't shut. Sometimes during the power down procedure, the windows will go up and the doors will lock. So you want to try to eliminate that. So I am reading the manual from Tesla. Here's a trusty steering wheel cover. Just eliminates anybody getting in here, explains that it's danger, the vehicle's powered down. The other thing that I also do is I put this in the front windshield, right where the VIN is. So everybody knows, okay, there's something going on with this car, stay away. So the very first thing in this manual explains is you go to the temp, make sure the climate controls are off. You're gonna hit the power off button. Then you're gonna go into the little car here. You're gonna hit the car button. You're gonna go into security and safety. It says power off. Hit power off. Are you sure you wanna turn off the power? Power it off. You're gonna see everything go away. Let's go to step number 2. All right, so the next step that I do, there's this little panel here. It's kind of the old school wiper cowl. You're going to remove this. Some of this stuff I've already loosened. Then there's an air vent. You're going to have to unclip this air vent, pull it out of the way. Then there's a 12 volt power here. You're going to loosen this 12 volt power. The line is not long, so you're gonna have to fight it a little bit. And then what I do is I take this, put this on the power, little red and white tape that I purchased from Amazon. Let's go to the next step. So a crucial step to this process when you're powering down a car, after you cut the 12 volt power, you're gonna take the key and you're gonna go 18 feet away. Alright, so the main reason you're putting that key 18 feet away, either in a lockbox or in your office like I did, it keeps the car active. The car is constantly looking for that key to unlock the doors, turn the lights on. So make sure you put that key away before you physically power the car down. Just deactivates it. So make sure you put the key in the lockbox or your office. So the next crucial step in this process, as in safety, you should remove all your electronics, your cell phone, your Apple Watch, rings, watches, necklaces. I remove my hat also because it does have the metal thing in the very top. So make sure you remove all those before you go to the next step. So in this process, you have to use high voltage gloves. It does come in the kit from Anson. Comes with some cotton gloves. You're gonna start with the cotton gloves. The cotton gloves on. Now the very next step is very important. You're gonna roll the gloves. You're gonna listen for holes in the glove. No holes. You're gonna put the gloves on. Same thing with the next one. No leaks. Let's see if we can go to the next step. So if you noticed, I've taped this safety warning banner up here just because this is where the plug is. It's in the customer's face or anybody that is going to come by the vehicle and know, hey, something's going on. One thing you'll notice on the floor, 1,000-volt rubber mat kind of grounds you to the floor. You also are going to see the clear mat. And I'm going to show you exactly what those mats are for and what the safety end of it is. If you've noticed, we've removed the back seat. It unclips pretty easy through these clips here. Pop the back seat out. First step of the process is this right hand styrofoam plug that's here. The next step you're going to do, you're going to take this is the high voltage, you're going to pop it down, okay? And you're going to lift the plug off. You hear a clunk. The vehicle is powered down. So the next step that I always do is I always replace this back on top, and I take our trusty old clear rubber mat, lay it out nicely, so everybody knows, hey, this is an area, stay away. Safety is key when you do one of these vehicles. When you go to put it back together to power it back up, you do exactly the same steps, just in reverse. But if you guys don't have this certification and you are working on hybrid vehicles, for one, it's a safety matter. For two, you're losing money. We charge the insurance company to do the power down feature on this. So if you need to take the class, go to anson.com. They have classes throughout the country, throughout the year, and sign up. You're gonna make your money back in no time. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. The power down procedure for a Model 3. You guys have a great day. Keep it real. And if you need anything, go to rpsdentrepair.com. Have a great day.